Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Tita Dewi Artini, SPG. Saya guru di SMP Mitra Permata, sekaligus mahasiswa dalam jabatan tahun 2021 Angkatan 4 di LPTK Universitas Semarang. Pada kegiatan ini, saya akan mempresentasikan hasil peer teaching saya. Pada kegiatan pembelajaran kali ini, saya lakukan secara daring. Kegiatan pembelajaran meliputi RPP, bahan ajar, media ajar, LKPD, dan instrumen penilaian. Berikut adalah video peer teaching saya.
Good morning, ma'am. Okay, how are you for today? Are you happy?
I'm fine. Yes, I'm happy with you.
I'm
happy.
How about you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah.
I'm so happy because I meet you again in this way. Okay. Firstly, I will check your attendance list. Di absen dulu ya. Who is absent for today? Siapa yang absen? I love you, present.
Present,
Present,
Mom.
yes.
Present.
Yes. Okay, before we start our activity, better we are pray first. Who wants to lead the prayer? Siapa yang mau pimpin doa?
Asman,
Mr.
Mom.
Asman. Okay, good. Yo, pimpin doa.
Okay, friend. Before we start learning English with Ibu Tita, let's pray according to our own religion. Pray, begin. Pray, finish. Greet your teacher.
Okay, we start our activities for today. What is our material? Okay, for our material today is about, do you know differences between there is and there are? Have you ever heard about there is and there are?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, alhamdulillah. Okay, first I will ask you, in your classroom, how many chairs are there in your classroom?
17.
14, ma'am.
17. Okay, and then I will.
14.
Okay, good. I will ask again, Martiana, how many tables are there in our classroom?
17. Include of your table, ma'am. 18. 18 tables.
Okay, good. Maybe some of you have known about there is and there are. But maybe some of you also haven't known about there is and there are. I will explain to you first. Okay, there is and there are. There is meaning ada. Nah, ada artinya ada ya anak-anak. There is dan there are artinya ada. Nah, apa perbedaannya? What is the differences between them? Between there is and there are. First, there is digunakan untuk benda yang jumlahnya hanya satu atau tunggal. Look at the picture. What picture is that, Nurjana?
Butterfly, ma'am.
Butterfly. How many butterfly are there?
One.
Okay, good. Thank you, Nurjana. Next, I will show you again the second one. I will ask to Kisbun. Kisbun, how many butterflies are there?
There are 4 butterfly.
Okay, there are 4 butterfly. Now, you can see, okay, what is the differences between there is and there are. Untuk tunggal atau satu, ada satu kupu-kupu itu there is, and then there are itu yang jamak atau lebih dari satu. We can use there are 4 butterflies. Then next, the third one is, now what picture is that, Fatty?
Yes, ma'am. A bowl of
What picture is
rice,
that?
maybe.
A bowl of rice. Nah, for rice we cannot countable. Rice itu tidak bisa kita hitung ya. Jadi kita harus menggunakan kata much untuk arti banyak. Much itu artinya banyak. Nah, itu untuk benda yang tidak dapat dihitung. There is much rice in the bowl. There is much rice in the bowl. Okay? Kalau benda yang tidak bisa dihitung menggunakan much dan there is. Next, the fourth one is I will ask Asman, what picture is that?
Oh, butterfly, Ma.
No, number 4.
Number 4, book.
Book. Okay, good. Book. Nah, buku itu bisa dihitung.
Book.
Oke, books. Nah,
Bisa.
untuk benda yang bisa dihitung, kita menggunakan many. There are many books. Oke, there are many books. Artinya sama. Many, banyak. Much, banyak. Thank you, Asman. Next.
Welcome,
Okay, I
Ibu.
have a dialogue. I asked the student to read. Yana, and then Indah, Feti. Okay, read dialogue, please.
Me, ma'am?
Yes, Yana, and then
Okay.
Indah, Feti.
Are you ready, Betty?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm ready, Yana.
Betty. Oh, hi, Indah. What thing in your bag?
Oh, there are many things like eraser, book, diary, bottle, and many more. What about in your bag?
There is only one book.
Okay, good. Thank you. There is the color of blue. There are many. Nah, itu menandakan ada banyak benda. And then Manda, there is only one book. Jadi hanya satu buku. Penanda ya. Kalau Dera itu banyak, tadi Indah membawa banyak peralatan, and then Manda, there is membawa hanya satu buku. Next, for the example, we'll ask again for Andreas, what picture is that? What picture is that? A car?
Car in house, ma'am.
Okay, good. Using there is or Dera?
There is.
Okay, good. Thank you, Andreas. First, Andreas. Good job. There is a car in the garage. Can you read it? Bisa baca ini, Andreas, kalimat ini?
Yes, ma'am. There is a car in the garage.
Good.
Okay.
Next. Number 2, Fatty. Fatty again. Wow. What picture is that, Fatty?
Yes, ma'am. Money, ma'am.
Money. Wow. Do you like money?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Okay.
Me
Nah,
too,
di
ma'am. I
situ
like
ada
money.
banyak uang. Okay, thank you. Fatty, can you read that text? That
Yes, ma'am.
sentence?
There is much money in your pocket.
Yeah, we can use much for money because money is uncountable. Next. Nah, I will ask Nurjana. How many people are there? How many people are there?
7 people.
7. Ya, in English ada 7 orang.
There are 7 people.
Good, thank you. There are 7 people in the picture. Next, Kisbun. What picture is that?
Apple.
Apple. In English, using
There is
there
one
is or
apple.
there are.
There is one apple.
Good. Thank you, Kisbun. There is
Yes, ma'am.
apple on the table. Next picture is Yana again.
I don't know what is that, ma'am. Water.
What pictures? Water, good.
Okay.
Yeah, using there is or there are.
Apa ya tadi, ma'am? There is, ma'am. Yeah.
Good. There is much or
Okay.
many for water.
Water is uncountable noun. Much, ma'am.
Yes, much. Good.
Much.
Please make a sentence. Please make a sentence.
There is much water, ma'am.
Thank
Is it
you.
right?
Good job, Yana. There is much water in the pail. Next, Asman again.
Okay, ma'am. There are 2 buffaloes in the garden, in the field.
Yes, good. Thank you. But I think it's a cow.
Oh, cow. Thank you.
There are,
Forgive me, ma'am.
yeah, thank you, Asman. There are 2 cows
Looks
in the
like buffalo.
cage. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Forgive me, ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a bowl. There is a rice in the bowl. But if we want to say tidak ada nasi di mangkok, how to say it? How to make a sentence? Tidak ada nasi di mangkok. Nurjana.
There is not much rice in the bowl.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next, there is much sugar. The second picture is sugar. There is much sugar. Next, butterfly. There is a butterfly, and then there is a boy. Just now, Narjana said there is not much rice in the bowl. Next, fatty. If you say tidak ada banyak gula, how to say it? How to make a sentence?
There is not much soup.
Okay, thank you. Good job. There is not much sugar. Okay, you have to put not. Harus ditambahkan not. If you say tidak ada, ya, there is not. Kalau there is, kalau there is not. Nah, for example, the third picture is butterfly. So, tidak ada butterfly is there is not butterfly. Next, tidak ada seorang laki-laki. There is not a boy. Okay. We watch the video first. Can you hear the voice?
No.
No, no.
ma'am.
That, ma'am.
No. There is a sound. Okay. First.
Channel. Halo,
Sudah?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes.
Welcome to
Yes,
my
yes.
channel. In this video, we are going to learn about there is and there are. Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel, Miss Putri's English class. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about there is and there are.
Ada suaranya ya?
Ada, Bu.
Ada.
Baik,
Yes.
biar continue.
Okay, let's see what we have here. There is a bus on the road. Ada sebuah bis di jalan. There are some buses in the bus station. Ada beberapa bus di terminal bus. Jadi apa bedanya? There is, there are. There is digunakan untuk menyatakan keberadaan orang, benda, atau binatang yang tunggal atau berjumlah satu. For example, there is a policeman on the street. Ada seorang polisi di jalan. Polisinya satu, makanya di sini kita pakai there is. There is a taxi in front of us. Ada sebuah taksi di depan kita. Taksinya juga satu, makanya pakai there is. There is a dog in the car. Ada seekor anjing di dalam mobil. Okay, what about there are? There are digunakan untuk menyatakan keberadaan orang, benda, atau binatang yang jamak atau jumlahnya lebih dari satu. For example, there are motorcycles near the zebra cross. Ada beberapa sepeda motor di dekat jalur penyeberangan. Motornya ada banyak, makanya kita pakai there are. There are some birds on the building. Ada beberapa burung di atas bangunan itu. Burungnya juga lebih dari satu. Makanya kita pakai there are. And if I want to ask questions, kalau mau bertanya, gimana? Okay, let's see. Is there a dog in the car? Jadi ini kalau kita mau bertanya, apakah ada anjing di dalam mobil? Kita lihat ya. Tadi there is, kalau bertanya kita balikan is-nya di depan sehingga dia menjadi is there. Is there a dog in the car? Yes, there is. Ya, ada. Okay, let's see another example. Are there birds on the building? Apakah ada burung di atas gedung? There-nya dibalik ya, dia menjadi are there. Dan jawabannya yes, there are. Ya, ada. Okay, next. Are there cars in the parking lot? Apakah ada mobil di tempat parkir? Nah, kalau kosong, berarti jawabannya no, there aren't. Tidak ada. Is there anybody in the bus stop? Apakah ada orang di halte? No, there isn't. Atau there is not ya. Artinya tidak ada. Now let's see the dialogue. Are there cars on the street? Yes, there are. Apakah ada mobil di jalan? Iya, ada. So, there are cars on the street. Ada mobil di jalan. Are there cars on the street? No, they are not. Atau no, they aren't. Tidak ada mobil di jalan ya. There are no cars on the street. Is there anybody on the zebra cross? Apakah ada orang di zebra cross? Yes, there is. Ya, ada. There is somebody on the zebra cross. Ada orang di zebra cross.
Okay. Have you watched the videos?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I am.
Okay. Right now we have to we will get a quiz. Yes. Is there any mobile phone in your beside you?
Yes.
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 We will using Kahoot. Nah, for using Kahoot, ketik di Google ya Kahoot Play. Okay, yuk. Screen. Can you
Yes.
see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the pin is 3311554. Okay, I will waiting for you.
Oh, kita main ini ya, Mom?
Yes,
Oh, so.
3311. Okay, thank you, Pak
Yeah.
Asman. You has been here.
Yes, Mom.
Still loading.
Okay, thank you, Kak Jana, Fatty,
Yes.
Pak Widi. Good. Any others?
Still connecting.
Any others?
Jaringan lab saya ini, ma'am.
Okay, Andreas, good. Okay, ready? We start now.
Not
Yes,
yet,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, we
Yes,
start now.
ma'am.
Yes. About Dara and Darius.
Jaringan is not good.
Okay, next. The answer is yellow ya. Okay, Kak Feti, good job.
Dengan Bu.
Number one. Next.
I see many flowers in the garden.
Sunflower. And there is
Okay, good. All of you is good. Whoa, Widi, you are the first. Excellent. Next. Good. Next, we'll continue. Oh.
apa hijau-hijau mana?
Okay, good. Still, we have one.
Okay.
Okay, next. True or false? True or false? Okay, good. Still, there is still 1%. Okay, Widi is still the first. Good job, Widi. Next, still true or false? Perhatikan kalimatnya.
That is my friend Indonesia.
Okay, good job. Oh, Nurjana naik ya ke atas.
Students in the classroom. So.
Good job. Oh, all of you is right. Oh, we have 4% in the right answer. Next. Oh, Andreas, you were right. Good. Naik ke atas langsung ya. Okay, good. The answer is there is much money in the podcast. Oh, still Widi the first. Good job, Widi. The last one. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, here is the podium. The third one is Andreas. Good job, Andreas. And then the second is Fatty. Good job, Fatty. The first is Widi. Awesome, Widi. Very great.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Widi. Okay.
Lagi, ma'am.
Thank you.
You create an interesting PowerPoint too, ya. PowerPoint-nya juga menarik tadi, colorful and eye-catchy. Kemudian you check whether the student can hear the voice, ya. It is a good point, ya. So that you don't run, but in fact the student didn't hear anything. Nah, jadi harus dicek dulu. Sudah terlihat, terbacakah, terdengarkah? Ya, itu is very important to make sure that the student can follow your teaching and learning process. And then maybe we only meet for 30 minutes. So it is impossible to see the whole material. Maybe you can anticipate it with telling the student, oh, last week we already discussed about, we already know countable and uncountable noun. Ya. Jadi kita ada gambaran, oh kemarin tuh mereka sudah belajar countable and uncountable, bisa memberikan contoh-contohnya. Mungkin secara lesson bisa diulang last week, ya. What the previous lesson. Last week we have discussed about countable and uncountable. Nah, sekarang kita mau fokus on many and how much and how many. Nah, jadi dalam 30 menit itu tercover, kemarin anak-anak sudah punya bekal ini, kelihatan. Ya. Kita kan kaitkan dengan apa yang sudah pelajari yang lalu. Kemudian untuk seperti tadi tugas for the next meeting, apa yang harus dilakukan? You tell the student what we are going to discuss in the next meeting. Yeah. So they need to join. Misalnya kalau kelas online, berarti besok kita mau mempelajari ini. Anak-anak berarti harus ikut dan harus sudah siap dengan their assignment. Get ready. Itu Bu Tita. Bu Yayu, itu masukan saya.
Yes, thank you, Ibu. Yes, thank you very much. Okay. Ya Ibu, saya mau melihat RPP-nya Ibu ya. Tapi tadi sudah dari Bulan, appreciation. Of course, I agree. Yeah, the teaching is interesting. Moreover, the use of technology, the use of games, practice or exercises in the form of games. I think this is very interesting. Okay, good. Sekarang tapi di RPP-nya, Bu, kita melihat RPP-nya. RPP-nya tadi adalah membuat kalimat ya, Bu ya. Lalu Ibu tadi menyampaikan ada menyertakan dialog-dialog gitu ya. Sepertinya dialognya menjadi kurang expose ya, Bu ya. Okay, you emphasize on the teaching or explaining the use of how much and how many, and then singular and plural. Okay, that grammar base. Yeah. Okay. Of course, this is important. This is very important, especially for the basic level. I agree. The problems is in the lesson plan you mentioned about the use of the dialogue, and I think dialogues here should be practiced. Jadi membuat dialognya ini juga harus ditekankan, because students then will not focus on the much and many in isolation, but how they implement that in the text. Text, remember what is text and what is non-text. Sentence is not yet a text. Sentences in isolation are not yet text. Okay, teksnya berarti adalah dialognya. Dialognya adalah apa yang ditekankan, is there, are there, is there, or how much, how many. Ya, difokuskan yang mana? Ibu mau pilih yang mana? Oke. Lalu kalau memang keduanya, ya tadi di dalam mengajar itu yang ditekankan adalah are there any students in the classroom? Misalnya, yes, there are. How many students are there? There are 5 students. Nah, misalnya begitu. Itu dijadikan dialog yang diajarkan, lalu kemudian evaluasinya adalah siswa diberi situasi atau diberi gambar, kemudian diminta membuat dialog tadi, question and answer. Are there any students in the classroom? Yes, there are. How many students are there? There are 3 students misalnya, atau there are 3. Itu lebih bagus diajarkan, ditekankan sehingga siswa belajar dengan situasi. Atau maybe this is only the first step of that. Ya, hanya level tingkat pertama dulu, nanti berikutnya mengajar the whole text. Ini adalah sampai sekarang ini ada levelnya untuk mengajar kalimatnya dulu. Nah, setelah mengajar kalimat kemudian mengajar dialognya. Oke. Jadi jangan sampai kalau ini nanti pembelajaran yang sesungguhnya, setelah mengajar ini lalu selesai berganti topik yang lain sebelum sampai pada tahap siswa mampu membuat dialog tadi, yaitu bisa bertanya dan menjawab dengan much dan many. Ya, pengetahuan tentang much dan many itu memang penting, tapi itu sebagai bagian dari unsur kebahasaan. Nah, tapi keseluruhannya nanti harus membentuk teks, yaitu teks dialog tadi interaksional, menanyakan keberadaan benda, berarti is there, are there, oke. Ya, demikian Bu. Itu harus ditekankan Bapak Ibu, diingat-ingat ya. Ini sambil berlatih untuk memfokuskan lagi pada pembelajaran yang berbasis teks, kurikulumnya adalah genre based atau apa, bahwa kita nanti akan meminta siswa untuk bisa membentuk teks ya. Teks itu apa? Nah, ini nanti kita ingat lagi. Kalimat adalah bagian dari membentuk teks, kecuali memang ada satu kalimat yang ada konteksnya, maka itu sudah teks. Tapi misalnya ada gambar lampu lalu lintas lalu mengatakan misalnya stop here misalnya, walaupun itu satu kalimat perintah tapi itu ada konteksnya, maka itu teks ya. Tapi kalau kalimat terpisah-pisah tentu bukan teks. Yang ditekankan membuat dialog, berarti harus siswa dilatih juga membuat dialog setelah ini. Ini adalah bagian dari knowledge ya. Skills-nya belum tercapai, tapi knowledge sudah. Skills-nya membuat dialog, keberadaan sesuatu belum. Jadi nanti kalau mengajar di sekolah, ini diajarkan tentu sampai siswa paham benar, lalu berikutnya adalah bagaimana ini diterapkan untuk mengajar teks dialognya itu sendiri. Ya, interaksional, transaksional gitu ya tadi. Oke, thank you very much.